広島での公演という言葉を目にしたとき、最初に気になったのは演出そのものでした。藤井風さんのライブは毎回少しずつ表情を変えますが、今回のプレプリマツアーでも音楽だけでなく空間全体の見せ方が印象に残ったという感想が多く聞かれています。ツアーはニューアルバムプリマへと続く流れの中で行われていて、楽曲そのものだけではなく、その世界観をどう体験として届けるかという点にも大きな意識が向けられています。広島公演では照明や映像、ステージ全体の構成が一体となり、見る角度によって印象が変わる場面が続きました。その中で特に話題になったのが、顔がはっきり見えない時間が続いた演出です。ただし、これは本人が姿を消したという意味ではありません。逆光や照明、スクリーンの使い方によって輪郭だけが浮かび上がる瞬間があり、多くの観客がその独特な雰囲気について感想を共有しました。興味深いのは、その演出によって視線が自然と表情から音へ移っていくことです。普段は歌い手の表情を追いかける場面でも、声の響きやバンドの演奏、会場全体の空気に意識が向かいます。派手さを競うというより、一つの作品としてライブを組み立てようとする姿勢が感じられました。もちろん、公演ごとに細かな違いや受け取り方は人それぞれです。同じステージを見ても、印象に残る場面は観客によって異なります。それでも、ライブが終わった後に演出について多くの人が語り合っていたことは、この公演が強い余韻を残した一つの理由だったのかもしれません。これからツアーが進むにつれて、演出がさらに変化するのか、それとも現在の世界観を丁寧に磨いていくのかはまだわかりません。ただ、藤井風さんのライブは完成した形を見せるというより、その時、その場所でしか生まれない空気を共有する時間でもあります。だからこそ、一つ一つの公演が独立した体験として記憶に残り、次のステージへの期待へと自然につながっていくように感じます。
On July 29, 2026, newly released official Fujikaze Prema Tour 2 performance live at Hiroshima Green Arena quickly attract widespread attention online. Rather than presenting a familiar pop concert, the stage presenting a familiar introduced a exciting visual concept that surprised many viewers. One of the most talked about elements was Kaze's appearance, dressed in a long hooded cloak that concealed his face throughout much of the performance. He shifted the audience's attention to the atmosphere and the sound. The costume itself created a powerful visual contrast. The outer fabric appeared in muted earth tone, while flashes of vivid red could be seen inside the cloak whenever it moved. Combined it carefully designed lightly, the stage transformed into the cinematic environment that felt closer to the contemporary performance art than a traditional live concert. A bright crimson lightning dominated several moments before gradual giving back to cool shades of blue and purple, creating dramatic emotional changes without lying elaborate storytelling. So the stage design also played a major role, elevated performance, illuminating staircases, the towering vertical LED screens were together to create a futuristic settings, abstract visuals synchronized with the music continuously shifted behind the performance, giving the impression that every lighting cue and graphic had been carefully integrated into the overall artistic concept. Rather than serving as decoration, the visual becomes an initial part of the performance itself. Musically, the concert explored a noticeably different direction from what many listeners associated with Fuji Kaze. Electronic texture, powerful deep bass lines, and live drums blended into the modern sound. Escape his vocal were proceed with creative effects with alternative tones, making the voice function as another musical instrument instead of remaining the sole emotional focus. Repeated vocals, phrases, and rhythmic delivery emphasized mood and texture overall straightforward lyrical storytelling. So his stage movements reflect the same artistic vision. Instead of polished pop choreography, the performance featured expression, gesture, unpredictable body language, and theoretical poses that complement the music changing intensity. These moments suggest that he was portraying a symbolic stage character rather than simply performance song in a conventional concert setting. Fans across social media responded with a mixed curiosity, admiration, and the excitement. Many commented that despite face remaining hidden, the performance will communicated powerful emotion through movement, sounds, and visual design. Other praised the impressive atmosphere and bold creative direction, describing it like anything that had previously experienced from him. With the world tour scheduled to begin in October, many viewers now see the Hiroshima performance in artistic preview rather than simply another tour stop. Instead of repeating familiar formulas, the production suggested that Fujii Kaze is continue to experiment with new ways of blending music, visual art, and live performance. Whether audience interrupt is a theoretical experience, a conceptual concert, or evaluation of his creative style, the performance has certainly sparked anticipation for what may come next on the global stage. Many viewers now see the Hiroshima performance in artistic preview rather than simply another tour stop. Instead of repeating familiar formulas, the production suggested that Fujii Kaze is continue to experiment with new ways of blending music, visual art, and live performance. Whether audience interrupt is a theoretical experience, a conceptual concert, or evaluation of his creative style, the performance has certainly sparked anticipation for what may come next